Alright, ngitheke sizoqhubeka. Sigcine sila sina isometric drawing yethu. Kumele siyithathe sizoyifaka la kwi-Cartesian plane ye-first angle orthographic projection, or siyithathe sizoyifaka kwi-Cartesian plane ye-third angle orthographic projection. Then konke lokho kuzodependa kwi-instructions oyinikeziwe ukuthi okay, they were requiring you to draw your views in a first angle orthographic projection or in a third angle orthographic projection. So let us start. So we're gonna use a first angle orthographic projection using this isometric drawing. So we're gonna be referring to this drawing, right? So we're gonna start by drawing our Cartesian plane for the first angle orthographic projection. So let us start at the center of our paper. Let us start. Gonna draw bold line, then another bold line, then we measure 5 for our construction lines. We measure 5 for our construction lines. 5 for our construction lines. Okay, then draw the construction line. It is a construction line. It must be only you who can see it. If I can see your construction line as an invigilator, it means there is something wrong with your construction lines, okay? Right, then we have our Cartesian plane, okay? For the first angle orthographic projection, here we have a front view, here we have a top view, and then here we have a side view. That's the side view, right? We're gonna start by our front view. So if we are coming from this direction, if we are looking at our isometric drawing, if we are coming from this direction, we're gonna see something like this. Okay, sizobona into ethi mayibeka nje masiqhamuka la, right? Kuyabonakala. So leyo nto leyo siyibona masiqhamuka front, kumele siyithathe ngoba injalo sizoyifaka la isi-2D, because le drawing le iyi-3D, but then thina ke kumele sisuke lapho ku-3D ke siye ku-2D, two-dimensional drawing. Enzani le camera manje? Oh, okay, it's fine. Asiqale ukusuka la ngeli 15 30 plus 70 shoot 100. So into engizoyenza njengamanje balulekile, u70 le distance. I-drawing yami ngiyiqala la kuma construction lines ami la, shoot kumele ngiqale 100 since ngibonile ukuthi u15 no15 plus 70 kunginika 100, right? Then lokuba u70. So ukusuka la ngiyale ngizoqala 100. Now 100 wami uphela la, right? Ake ngidebe 100 sisubona. Ngizame nje ukushesha ukuze singashaya isikhathi. Now 100. Then ukukhuphuka manje. Ukukhuphuka nakho ku70, then ngizoqala u70. Now 70 wethu. Then ngizama ukumqanisa ukuze konke esikwenzayo sikubone. Now 70. Siyawubona. Then ukusuka la ngize la nakho bakuvezile la, kusuka la ngize la it's 30. So ngizobuya nge30. I'll just draw a construction line, then ebese ngimeasure because angikwazi ukumeasure into engekho. So ngiqala u30. Now u30 wami, then sengiyaqanisa lo 30 wami, right? Then ngibuye ngizobuka ukusuka la ngize la 15 oku 30, now 30. So ngizodweba i-construction line then bese ngimeasure u-30. Ngizodweba i-construction line ekhuphukayo then ebese ngimeasure u-30. Okay, now u-30 wethu sesimejile. Then mayisi kanje isiphelele, into engizoyenza ngizodweba i-horizontal line, construction line, then I draw a vertical line of which is also a construction line. Then mase ngudwebile, there is a huge mistake that we are making, but sizokwazi ukuthi siyilungise. Sithemba ukuthi bakhona abanye abayibonayo. Uma uyibona nje angazi ungasho kanjani nje, Mister nomzana wami kunephutho olenzayo la. Okay, nakho siyawubona lokho kusa-L, but then kunephutho esilenzayo. Masiqhamuka kwe-front asiboni into kanje, khona izinto ezisashoda, right? Kunalento ekumele siyibone masiqhamuka la kwe-front. Shuthi lokhu sizokubona lo line, sibone lo, sibone lo, sibone lo, sibone lo, sibone lo, sibone lo, sibone lo. So i-mistake esisayenzile kumele kuba no-line ongenayo la kanje. Okay, then-ke ukusuka la ngiza la u-15, nokusuka la ngiza la u-15, then ukusuka la ngiza la u-15. So into esizoyenza sizomeasure u-15 la, now 15 siphinde simeasure u-15, construction line ekhuphukayo, and then construction line, then siphinde simeasure u-15 la, right? Then sengaqamisa since sengazi ukuthi into yami ime kanjani, right? Liyabuya ithemba, front view, siqhamuka front sibona into ekanje nansi siyayibona, but then kusashota i-rib yethu. I-rib yethu sizobona nje ulayini usuka la uyofika la, nayo i-front view yethu. Shuthi if kule 3D yami ngiqhamuka ngapha, ngiwumuntu ome ngapha oqhamuka ngapha, into engizobe ngiyibona ile, ngizobe ngibona into kanje, uyabona? Okay, asike siyivale siqhubeka namanye ama-views khona manje.